Marco, Mobile Augmented Reality for Learning Computer Organization. Marco is an application to guide learner in identifying computer component and assist them in installation process by providing 3D simulations and realism graphics. There are two types of Marco modes. The first one is Marco FR, which is functional realism that used image marker base, while the second one is Marco PR, which is physical realism that used object tracking marker base. Both of Marco modes provide details, 3D models for each computer component, 3D simulations on assembly computer component, digital information on each component and simulation task. Now we delve into more detail on the functionality of the Marco FR mode. This is how Marco FR works. Marker for Marco FR mode is an image marker, as shown in the video. Point the camera at the marker, the 3D object overlay will pop up on top of the marker. You can now control the 3D object by rotating and zooming in which angle you prefer. You also can click the Show Detail button to display label on each component of the 3D object. For further information, you can click Info icon on top right of the screen. Marco FR also has the function of displaying computer component assembly simulations. Press the play button to play the simulation. The simulation also comes with explanatory voice and text.
The corner is marked with an arrow. Find the corresponding marking on the CPU socket and insert the CPU so that the markings are lined up.
Now we move on, Marco PR modes. Marker for Marco PR mode is an object tracking marker as shown in a video. Point the camera at the object marker. The 3D object overlay will pop up on top of the object marker. You can now move the object marker which angle you prefer, and the overlay 3D image will track based on the object marker. You also can click the Show Detail button to display label on each component of the 3D object. Marco PF also have a function of displaying computer component assembly simulation. Press the play button to play the simulation. The simulation also comes with explanatory voice and text. Marco FR mode will display a computer component assembly simulation by combining real components and 3D object components. You can now control the 3D object by rotating and zooming in which angle you prefer. Experience the future of education, escape reality, and explore limitless possibilities with Marco.